Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Right, today's date 16/11/2020. Children, we have completed block 11, block 10, block 11. Now we are going to do block 12 children. In block 11 what we have seen, how and why British came to India, what attracted them. In block 11 we have seen when INC, Indian National Congress Party has formed children. Now in block 12 we are seeing why Gandhiji came to India, when did he felt that we should come to India and he fought for Indian freedom. Okay, take out your readers now. Children here, block 12, Gandhiji and the freedom movement. See, first page, coming of the Gandhi. Before that we'll read about Gandhiji. Keep your fingers where I am reading. We have read how Indians joined in the freedom movement after the birth of the Indian National Congress. Okay, people use different methods to protest against the British rule. One important way was to boycott foreign goods during the Swadeshi movement. The British were worried by this protest and included new laws to stop the nationalism feeling. It was around this time the Mahatma Gandhi joined the movement. It was perhaps for the first time that Indians boycott men, and the women from every corner of the country joined him in his fight for the freedom. Children, see, this is our S1. The coming of the Gandhiji. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was known as Mahatma Gandhi. What was the full name of Gandhiji? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay, next was Gandhiji was born in 1869 in Gujarat. He went to study law in England. Where he went and studied law, children? Law. He was a lawyer. He studied in England and became a lawyer in South Africa. Where he became a lawyer in South Africa. During those days, South Africa was also ruled by the British. Some Indians who were brought to South Africa to work in farm and mines were treated like slaves. See children, British people took Indian people from India to South Africa to make work with them in the fields itself. They have no freedom. One day when Gandhiji was travelling in a first class compartment on a train in South Africa, he was asked by some British officer to move to a third class compartment because he was dark skinned. Gandhiji refused and the officer threw him out of the train. Children, one day what happened since one British man came when Gandhiji was travelling in South Africa in train itself. And the British man said that you go to third class compartment. Why are you sitting in the first class compartment? Then Gandhiji refused. Refused means he said, why I should go? Then he threw Gandhiji out of the train itself. Why? Because he was black. His skin was dark in color, means he was black itself. Gandhiji was deeply affected by this incident. He felt very bad by this incident. In South Africa, he started to fight against the British, fight for the Indians using two ideas. He believed in ahimsa, non-violence, and satyagraha, follow the path of truth. When he came back to India in 1915, he saw that the Indians were being treated badly by the British rulers. He decided to join the freedom movement. Next page, children. Page number 77. Gandhiji understood that it would be difficult for Indians to use violence against the British because the British were much more powerful. British people are very powerful, children. How? Because they have guns, we don't have guns. He knew that they could not be defeated by fighting with guns and bombs. Instead, he wanted the Indians to fight, to be strong in their minds and follow the path of truth and non-violence. To him, ahimsa and satyagraha were the best method to protest. He told people not to follow injustice, the British law, and the boycott office, schools and colleges owned by the government. He also encouraged the people to stop wearing foreign clothes. what Gandhiji did, he came in the middle. When he came in the year 1915, he came to India and he saw that not only in Africa, in India, people are treated badly by the British. Then he said that with violence you can't fight with the British because the British is very strong. They have bombs and guns. We don't have. He said only two ways that we can fight with the British is Satyagraha and Ahimsa. Then what he did, instead of doing this boycott and all, we will stop wearing the British clothes, he said. Next, see what will happen. Foreign clothes. He led protest march and believed in fasting for a long period. Fasting means without eating children. For a long period to show anger. To show anger, he said that we will not eat. He started to weave his own clothes called khadi. Used a charka, special wheel. The charka soon became a symbol of freedom. See, Gandhiji said that we will prepare our own clothes. We will make our own clothes. See, by using this wheel, charka it is known as. With the help of cotton, we can make this clothes. So Gandhiji said that stop wearing that jeans, coat and all, and we will prepare our own clothes and we will wear. Okay children, this was our S1. Now let us see our workbook now. See children, write today's date 12 dash. Sorry children, write. See children, write today's date beta 16-11-2020, the coming of Gandhiji. Now here box. Name of the person. Which ideas did he believe in? Reason for joining the fight against the British. His method would include. This you should write in boxes from your reader children. Okay, now see here. Name of the person Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi you should write. What ideas? Ahimsa, non-violence, Satyagraha. You write like this. Reason for fighting. One day when Gandhiji was travelling, it is there here in your reader. See from here. One day when, from here. Okay. Till where you will write? See children, you write here. In this box, you write from reader page number 76. One day when Gandhiji was travelling in a train till here to truth. Follow the path of truth. Till truth you write. Then what you will do in the next box. This next box is there. His method would include. See children, what you will write in this box. It is there in page number 77. He also encouraged the people to stop wearing foreign clothes. From here to freedom. Symbol of freedom. Understood beta? Here you should write Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. And which ideas did he? Satyagraha and Ahimsa. It is there here only children in page number 76 para. Satyagraha and Ahimsa. Next. Here what you will write this reason for joining. Why when British one man pushed Gandhiji from the train. From here to here. You should write. Then next in the third box, you should write from the reader page number 77. This one. Okay, next one. Two countries. He is telling something. Two countries, Israel and Palestine, have been fighting with each other for many years. Between 1948 and 2009, about 14,000 people were killed while fighting. They used bombs and guns against each other. If Gandhiji was alive, how would he have protested in a similar situation? If Gandhiji is there, what he'll do in this situation? You write this answer. He'll not use guns, he'll follow Satyagraha, Ahimsa, no? That only you should write. Otherwise, you can write with your own answer. Any other answer. You can add more points. Next one. What happened if we use violence method to protest? These two are your own answers. Or how Gandhiji will protest if he is there in this place. And what happens if we use violence method. This you should write. Okay. Hope you all understood. Okay, write today's date 16 and complete it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.